Okay, so what we're going to do is look at the pre-order traversal of a tree. And the pre-order traversal algorithm is quite simple. Well, at least on the surface, it's simple. Basically, we process the root of the tree, and then we traverse the left, and then we traverse the right. So the root always gets processed first. So to start the traversal, we're going to process the node A, and then we're going to look at all of the subtrees that are rooted at B, C, and D. So that's how I write down my first step. So at this point, we're going to look at B first. So following the pre-order algorithm for B, it looks like now starting with A, we still have A first. So B gets processed, and then so do E. F is a subtree, so that's going to get a circle. That's how I organize my thoughts here. Anything that has more stuff below it, I circle so that I come back to it. And then H. And that ends the B part. Now C gets processed. And then I and J get traversed, but I is just a node and J is a subtree. And then D gets processed. And then so does K and L. And those are just nodes, so that means there's no circles there. So it looks like on the surface, we're almost done. So now we have somehow I changed to erase. A, B, E. Now, F gets processed. I'm going to highlight that over here. F gets processed. And then we look at all the children. So that means we have M, which is just a node, N, which is just a node, and O, which is a subtree. So then that all left off at F. Then we have G, H, C, I. Now J is a subtree. So that means J gets processed first, being the root of that subtree. And then the only thing that follows J is P. And then everything that came after J is written. One more step. We have A, B, E, F, M, N. Now, O is a subtree, so I'm going to highlight that. O gets processed first, followed by Q and R, its children, and then everything that came after O before gets processed. So here we have it. This is the order in which the nodes will get processed using a pre-order traversal. So there you have it. Thank you so much.